Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever thought about writing an ebook, but you probably don't even know where to start, you're in the right place. Today I am going to show how you can use ChatGPT to help you craft a professional ebook. Of course, we all know that ChatGPT is such a powerful tool for your writing projects, and there are reasons why you would want to use ChatGPT for writing an ebook. I mostly use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas, craft emails, analyze a document or PDF files, write ad copies, and all of that. So I can assure you that this prompt I will be sharing will fit in any kind of ebook you want to write. All right, let's get into how to use ChatGPT to write your ebook. First things first, you'll want to start with the right prompts, how to use it effectively, because crafting the right prompts is key to getting the best results. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Step 1. Define your ebook's purpose and audience before you even type a single word into ChatGPT. You need to be clear about your ebook's purpose and target audience. Ask yourself, what's the main goal of this ebook? Who am I writing it for? Once you've got a clear idea of your ebook's purpose, then this will lead us to the next step. So for us, for example, this is our topic name, Strategies for Building a Social Media Presence for Small Businesses. And our goal is to help small businesses maximize the potentiality of their online presence. Then our target audience is business owners, both locally and internationally. Step 2 is creating an outline. Now you have to be specific. Start with a clear idea of what you want. You can use ChatGPT to help with this by providing prompts like, instead of just asking for content about marketing, try something like write a chapter about strategies for building a social media presence for small businesses. Or you can say, help me outline a comprehensive ebook on your said topic. Or say something like, what are some key chapters I should include in an ebook about your said topic? I hope you get the idea, okay? Now, to start writing with ChatGPT, I will suggest you have Google Doc close by to paste in the output. So there is how I love to initiate my chat using this prompt. Hello, how well can you craft a professional ebook? And there you go. What a nice response. And it's very detailed. All right, so now I can proceed. Okay, I will give it some background information to work with. For instance, using the prompt. Great, this is our topic name, Strategies for Building a Social Media Presence for Small Businesses. And our goal is to help small businesses maximize blah, 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 and all. All right, so concluding it by saying, don't write yet until I instruct you. I'm only giving you a bit more about my ebook. All right, I think we and ChatGPT are on the same page. I will now go ahead and tell it to give a comprehensive outline for our ebook and also tell it the number of chapters expected. Here you go. Let's allow ChatGPT to do its thing. As you can see, we have our ebook outline already generated. That was fast. Now, before you proceed, it is a good practice to copy this output somewhere to avoid clustering. So whenever ChatGPT generates an output that you want, just copy and paste it into Google Docs. And I will be doing the same. All right, we have it here and it saves automatically. Obviously, this outline covers a broad range of topics that should be valuable to small business owners looking to enhance their social media presence. All right, this will bring us to step 3, which is writing content for each section. And with your outline in place, you can start generating content for each section. For example, you might say write a detailed introduction for a chapter on then your specific subtopic. Or you can say, give me a summary of key points for a section on a specific topic, okay? And I hope you get the idea. All right, so here is how I would say it. Please copy my use prompt into your notepad. And this is how you get to have the same ebook structure as mine. So I will simply say, okay, please expand the introduction with actionable steps. Then let's see what the AI will come up with. This is amazing. I always suggest that you scroll and read through the output and ensure that it is without error. It even gave actionable steps, and these are what make your ebook engaging and turn professional. And there is something I love about ChatGPT output. At the end of each prompt, it gives like a summary of what it has generated and also what next to expect. And this information is always needed at the beginning of every chapter. All right, I will go ahead, then copy and paste it to our Google Docs file, and that's it. Our ebook content is adding up. All right, next is writing on each of the chapters. I will go ahead and say something like, Okay, elaborate on the chapter 1 then. I will click enter to proceed. And there we go again. All right, nice one. Now, I don't advise you to leave ChatGPT to do all the hard work. Always read the output. And that is why you should at least have a little idea the topic you are writing about, okay? Now, it is the same prompt, and you can always use it to generate the rest of the chapters. Before the end of this tutorial, I will show you 2 more instances on how to even better your writing. Now, I will copy and paste both the chapter 1 and chapter 2 into Google Docs. I was almost forgetting. As you can see, the pages are adding up bit by bit. It is always essential to make your ebook lengthy. The longer, the better, but ensure it's useful information and not meaningless information. And once you are done with the ebook, you can even send a copy to an expert to vent it if you are writing in a sensitive niche. But from my experience with ChatGPT 4, there probably wouldn't be any need for such. I said earlier, I will write the rest of the chapters using the same prompt. All right, if you look closely at this output, you will realize it's just plain text, no visuals, infographics and all. Now, here is how to add these elements in the next chapter. All right, I will use this prompt saying, okay, please proceed to the next chapter. But remember to add elements and infographics if need be. Now, let's wait for it. And there you go. This is our chapter 4. Okay, and now we have a clue of what visuals are needed for this chapter. Mind you, there are some niches or topics that don't necessarily require infographics, visuals, and all. However, using visuals does make your ebook more appealing. Now that you know how to write an ebook using ChatGPT, which is quite straightforward. Let's say, for instance, you want to elaborate more on a particular section or key point. For example, this is the prompt to use. Could you provide more details or expand on specific section or topic? However, here are a few variations to use depending on the context, and it would be nice if you took note of this. So if you tell ChatGPT to elaborate on a particular section, but deep down what you meant was a further insight, I bet you are never going to get it right. So you may want to learn how to use this variation appropriately. Feel free to replace specific section or topic with whatever part of the text you're referring to, okay? Now, the second instance that so many people struggle with is not knowing how to tell ChatGPT to continue their ebooks or even review them. Well, with this simple prompt, ChatGPT can help you continue from where you left off. Here's how you can structure your prompts to achieve both tasks effectively. But before we proceed, if you are getting any value from this tutorial, please hit the like button and join the community if you haven't, okay? And moving forward, these are the prompts you can use. Oftentimes, I normally use this prompt. Could you review the following text and provide feedback, then continue writing from where I left off? Here's what I have so far. Insert your text here, and that's it. There are several reasons why you might want to write an ebook. Whatever your reason, creating and appealing ebooks is a good business. You can use this strategy to write multiple books on any topic. Then you sell these ebooks on Amazon KDP or any platform at all. All right, and this is how you get to make extra cash for yourself. You can simply reach out to people and tell them that you can write a plagiarism-free book for them. Then charge them something very small and they will agree immediately without thinking twice. Remember, the only thing you're doing is just formatting the text that ChatGPT is going to generate for you. Now, here's another idea that I want to share with you that will blow your mind. The niche is not yet saturated, okay? Just come over to Fiverr.com and search for Write Ebook or Write. As you can see, there are not too many people offering these services. It's just about 115. And then if you scroll way down, you can see that a lot of people are charging up to $200. And if you go way down, you see this guy is even charging $3,000. And he has about 114 orders. That's quite impressive. But I would suggest that you have at least a little idea about the niche you are writing about, because this is how you will even become more successful. Now, feel free to always reference this video while writing your ebook. And I hope you find this super helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. I will see you in my next video. Bye.